In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the CHOOSEROWS function here in Google Sheets. So the CHOOSEROWS function helps you select a number of rows and have them arranged in your desired sequence. So here in my example data, I have the customer ID, customer name, product purchase, quantity, price, total purchase, and tax. What I want to do with this data would be to rearrange it, but not really disrupting the original data. And I'm going to do that with one formula. So again, we're going to use the CHOOSEROWS function. Let me do it right here. So we're going to start with the equal sign, type in choose row, select it right here. If you click on that question mark, you will see all the information you need about it. You have the definition, the syntax, and even some examples. So I'm just going to close that for now, then proceed with our formula. So for the choose rows, again, for the syntax, we need the array, which is the entire set right here, comma. Then you're going to select the number of the row that you need from that data. So for me, I just want to have the customer's name and their total purchase. So I'm going to select row number 2 right here. Now, if you were selecting a data in the middle of your spreadsheet, just make sure that the counting would always start with 1 from the top of the array that you have selected. So let's go ahead and select 2 right here, comma, then the row number for total purchase, which is 6. Close that off with the closing parentheses, press enter, and there you have it. So now we have just the customer name, then the total purchase. Let's try that again, this time with more rows. So again, start with the equal sign, type in choose rows, select your array, comma, then again the number of the row for your arrangement. So let's say we want the customer ID, which is 1, comma, the product purchase, 3, comma, the total purchase, which is row 6, and we can always go back to a previous row, which let's say is the quantity. So that's row number 4. Close that off, press enter, and there you have it. We have the customer ID, product purchase, total purchase, and then going back to the quantity. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to use the CHOOSEROWS function with one easy example to follow. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.